Salutations to all over the world. I, T.N. Sharma, advocate and notary, once again salute to all of you regarding that programs which I have taken in hand with the help of, with the cooperation of you person, that waters to be safe. That is the very essentials for us, as there is no need to explain regarding the importance of waters. But full night, just I don't know how that in the dream a lot of ideas was coming in the mind, how we can lead these programs. And only I hope there is mouth to mouth that explain regarding that importance of water is a very good method. That's why I would like appeal to all of you, whoever are listening regarding that waters, you persons should also explain to us. As we know the importance of waters, if suppose that waters, lack of waters would be in house, then what we are thinking about that? Full day and full families are disturbed for that. But we should realize it, that importance of that waters. When we start to wash, when we start to wash, unnecessary waters we are throwing like that. That's why we command on that, and there should not such a mischief. That is known as mischief, because intentionally we are knowing it, that there is the importance of water. Out of that, we are unnecessary using that waters. Waters to be used for the purpose. And whatever purpose are there, that to be up to that only. Do you know that doctors always advise to us that water is very necessary for your bodies, water is very necessary for others' purpose also. So that's why we must keep in that mind always कि waters to be not destroyed, water to be not unnecessary used. And this my message I hope to all of you should spread out all over that words. Yesterday when I really read in that papers and found the lack of waters, what is going on in that country. Now that countries are thinking anyhow to distribute waters, to allot that waters like rationing methods. See that we are very lucky. We are not having that lack of waters. Those persons, those countries, those peoples are having lack of waters. They know the importance of waters. I am the villagers. I know when I was at village, when that waters was not in that our well, water was not in our other systems, then it was very difficult for us to farming also. Every place, every step, water is very necessary for us. I appeal to all of you, just assist to me and lead these programs, not up to this country. This to be go worldwide. And each and every citizens take this responsibility as a fire soldiers. When that fire soldiers got training to how to pacify, how to that command on that fire, when broke out, like that only we should also take this muhim, take this program as a challenge and try to give the mouth to mouth each and every citizens to be convinced for that. I know that all fingers are not equal. There may be some persons who would be laugh on that, but the coming days will tell you, will you feel it, what is the importance of waters. That's why once again I would like appeal to all of you through that whatever channels are available here, maybe comment, maybe prescribe, maybe forward. By that methods, you person take this muhim, take these programs very seriously, and I hope that you persons will cooperate to me and also to cooperate by this way the citizen of India, not citizen of India only, that country's man, whatever that word-wise people's countries are there, they will feel it. Okay, now we should start to save the waters and we should not misuse. Wherever you see that someone is misusing that waters, you should be say immediately what is going on, how you are misusing that waters. Like that, if each and every citizens of our India only will take this program in the hand and will start to assist to me, not only to me, to the other countries, and whoever want to know regarding that more regarding that importance of water should give that examples of that country where is the lack of water and due to that they are suffering. Thank you once again. Salute to all of you, and I hope that you will be cooperate to me, because really full night like a dream. Just I was thinking what should we do, how this program to be lead, and at last we decided it. Mouth to mouth is a good systems to make out, to spread out our programs. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Please, a word to the wise, you persons can understand very well regarding the importance of waters. Thank you. Thanks you. Thanks a lot. Please take these programs in your hand and do the needful. Thank you.